Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel. Today, we're delving into the exciting trends shaping vegetable gardening in 2024. Imagine a garden that not only nurtures your well-being, but also cares for our planet. Envision a diverse ecosystem in your backyard, bursting with native plants and companion species. And what if we told you some vegetables could come back year after year with minimal effort? Intrigued? Join us as we explore sustainable, affordable, and low-maintenance practices to make your vegetable garden thrive. One of the key trends in 2024 is sustainable and affordable vegetable gardening, a practice that not only nurtures your well-being, but also cares for our planet. It's about cultivating a garden that's not only bountiful, but considerate of Mother Earth. Let's begin with seeds. Seeds from heirloom and open-pollinated plants are often considered sustainable, as they allow for natural pollination and seed saving. These varieties help maintain genetic diversity and adaptability in crops. But nurturing a garden goes beyond just sowing seeds. It's about creating a sustainable ecosystem. Enter composting. It's a fantastic way to transform kitchen scraps into a nutrient-rich supplement for your garden. It's about turning waste into wealth, reducing landfill contributions, and naturally enhancing soil fertility. A garden isn't just about what you grow, but how you grow it. Repurpose items like old containers or pallets to create raised beds. It's a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to buying new. Water is essential, but it's also a resource we need to conserve. Consider a rainwater harvesting system. It's nature's watering can, helping you reduce dependence on traditional water sources. And let's not forget mulching. It's not just about making your garden look pretty. Mulch conserves water, suppresses weeds, and maintains soil temperature. As it decomposes, it adds organic matter back into the soil. Sustainable gardening is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to cultivating a healthier planet while nurturing a healthier you. Native plants and companion planting are also gaining popularity. They promote a healthy garden ecosystem by attracting beneficial insects and repelling pests. It's nature's own pest control without the harmful side effects of synthetic chemicals. Native plants are those that have adapted to your local climate over thousands of years. They're hardy, resilient, and require less water and care than exotic varieties. Companion planting takes this a step further. It's the practice of planting different crops in proximity for mutual benefit. For instance, some plants can improve soil health by fixing nitrogen, while others may deter pests. Some might attract pollinators, while others can offer shade or support to their neighbors. It's like a neighborhood of plants, each contributing to the well-being of the whole. Take marigolds, for example. Not only do they add a splash of color to your garden, but their scent also deters many common pests. Planting them alongside tomatoes can help keep those pesky bugs at bay. Or consider planting beans next to corn. The beans fix nitrogen in the soil, benefiting the corn, while the corn stalks provide a natural trellis for the beans to climb. It's a fascinating world of interrelationships and symbiosis right in your backyard. And we're just scratching the surface here. If you're intrigued by the concept of companion planting, stay tuned. We'll be digging deeper into this fascinating technique and providing more in-depth information in future episodes of this channel. Now, let's talk about making gardening more effortless with perennial vegetables. These are the gems of the vegetable world that keep giving year after year. They're like that friend who's always there for you through every season. Perennial vegetables are unique in that they don't need to be replanted each year. They lay down deep roots, which means they draw nutrients from a wider area and are more resistant to drought. They're hardy, they're resilient, and they're an excellent choice for a low-maintenance garden. Examples of these tireless providers are asparagus, artichokes, and rhubarb. Artichokes, besides being a gourmet delight, add structure and beauty to the garden with their large architectural leaves. Asparagus, once established, can produce tender shoots for up to 20 years. And rhubarb? It's not just for pies. Young stalks can be used in savory dishes, adding a unique tangy flavor. But it's not just about the ease of care. Perennial vegetables also offer continuous harvests. While annual veggies have a specific harvesting window, perennials provide produce at different times, extending your harvesting season. Incorporating perennial vegetables into your garden is like investing in a trust fund of fresh, organic produce. The initial work of planting pays off with years of returns. Think of it as an investment in your future garden. Plant once and reap the rewards season after season. It's a game changer for those looking to minimize the time and effort spent in the garden. And there you have it, the 2024 vegetable gardening trends that focus on sustainability, affordability, and effortlessness. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, incorporating these trends can make your gardening journey even more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, each small effort contributes to a greener, healthier planet. Happy gardening, and see you next time!